Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip for you. As of PolyWorks 2022, PolyWorks Inspector offers a toolbar for first article inspections. If you're using PolyWorks 2023 or older, that toolbar is accessible after you right-click on the toolbar and load the first article inspection toolbar. If you're using PolyWorks 2024 or newer and using the ribbon, the first article inspection tool can be found under the Review tab, FAI. When publishing a first article inspection, you need to tell PolyWorks what template to use, and PolyWorks already offers two templates for you. PolyWorks offers a template for single-piece inspections, like this AS9102C template, as well as the dimensional results template when incorporating multiple pieces. For this example, I will use the AS9102C template. Now that my template is assigned, the template does require some additional information. I'll go back to the FAI toolbar and add custom properties to this current project. And I will use that AS9102C template. You'll see that PolyWorks created many properties. Some of them are project properties, some of them are piece properties, some of them are custom properties. I'll just need to ensure that for each of these pieces, or for each of these features, one, they all have a characteristic number assigned to it. Two, now there are custom properties where I'll need to input a reference location, characteristic designator, and qualified tooling. And last, if I go to the piece properties, you'll see that there's some piece properties to fill in, as well as some project properties to fill in. I've already written a macro that will automatically fill this in for me. Now that all these properties and custom properties are filled in, let me return to my Review tab and publish this first article inspection. A new window will pop up and it will ask me which piece I want to report, as well as which controls I want to report as well. I do have additional fields here where I could correct any of those properties. And last, I can specify the export location as well as the report name. Once all of my fields and parameters are set, I can publish my report. Once finished, you will see an Excel report with two forms. The first form includes all the part number accountability info. Form 3 includes the characteristic accountability, verification, and compatibility evaluations. In my last example, I demonstrated how to make an FAI report for a single piece inspection. Let me demonstrate that same workflow but for a multi-piece inspection. That workflow will be very similar to what I previously showed you, where I go to the Review tab, go to my FAI button, and let me set my default template and specify the dimensional results to be my template. I'll also add custom properties to my project as well, and use the dimensional results template. In my case, because those custom properties already existed, nothing changed. And one last reminder, make sure that all your characteristic numbers and custom properties are filled out, as well as your piece properties and project properties. Once all of those are filled out, I will publish my first article inspection. I can specify which pieces to use for this first article inspection. And the rest of this window is very similar to what you saw before. Let me go ahead and publish this report. And once finished, an Excel report will be created. And you'll see there's two tabs, where the first tab is your piece information page, and your second tab is a summary of your results. I hope this video helps you in making your own first article inspection reports. Thank you for watching.